In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a Discord link to your TikTok bio. And of course, it should be clickable. So first of all, we'll have to get our Discord link. So let me just go to my server example. And normally, once you go and click on invite friends, you'll be able to go and click on copy to copy the link. So now, let me just go out and go to TikTok. From here, make sure to go and click on profile. First of all, if your profile isn't a business account, you'll not be able to do it. So make sure to click on three lines at the top right, click on privacy and settings, click on account. And here, make sure to click on switch to business account if you have that option. If you have switched to personal accounts, that means you already have a business account and you don't have to click on it. So for you, if you just click on switch to business accounts, you'll have to choose a category. For example, what's business you're trying to make and stuff like that. It's very easy. Make sure to do it. So now, once you do so, you can just go back here and click on edit. So once you click on edit, normally before, once you should find like a website button here right away. And you'll be able to edit very easily and very fast. But nowadays, in order to add a clickable link, you'll need to go and click on links and you'll need to go and click on add a website. But in order to add a website, you will need to verify your business. So if you click on get started, for example, they'll tell you to enter some information about your business. And as an example, for me, I entered some random information and you can see some random pictures. So my information was not approved. But for you, if it was approved, you can just go and click on the website. It's going to be like adding Instagram or YouTube. You'll basically have to add your link right there. And once you add it, it will be clickable. Let me just go here and try to connect my Instagram to show you that it's going to be clickable on your bio. So let me just go here. So since like Instagram required for me to log in, I already forgot. So I'm just going to log into YouTube because it will require you to log in with a Google account. And I already have that. So let me just go and log in into that, click on continue. It's going to be very simple. So once you click on continue, as you can see, the link is added. Now, if I go back, and as you can see, I'm just going to refresh. Now we have a clickable link. If someone clicked on the link, as you can see, they will be able to click on open and they will be taken to my accounts right away. So the same will be for the website or for Discord link. It will be added there as an example. But for me, I will not be able to do it because I have the option of verifying my business and I don't have it yet. So that should be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.